video teaches words and phrases for use at work in construction or labor jobs. Construction worker, construction worker. Drywall contractor, drywall contractor. Painter, painter. Roofer, roofer. Plumber, plumber. Electrician, electrician. Framer, framer. Mason, mason. General contractor, general contractor. I want a job, I want a job. I have experience, I have experience. I have experience as a roofer. I have experience as a roofer. I have experience as a framer. I have experience as a framer. You're hired. You're hired. Worksite, worksite. Foundation, foundation. Dumpster, dumpster. Truck, truck. Or lorry, lorry. Dump truck, dump truck. Bobcat, bobcat. Excavator, excavator. Crane, crane. Concrete truck, concrete truck. Load, load. Unload, unload. Unload the truck, unload the truck. I am unloading the truck. I am unloading the truck. Saw, saw. Hammer, hammer. Nails, nails. Nail gun, nail gun. Screwdriver, screwdriver. Screws, screws. Electric screwdriver, electric screwdriver. Drill, drill. Drill bits, drill bits. Battery, battery. Charger, charger. What is that called? What is that called? That is a hammer. That is a hammer. What is that called? What is that called? That is a screwdriver. That is a screwdriver. Where are the screws? Where are the screws? They're over there. They're over there. Where are the drill bits? Where are the drill bits? They're over there. They're over there. The battery is dead. The battery is dead. Charge the battery. Charge the battery. The battery is charged. The battery is charged. Tape. Tape. Paint. Paint. Paint roller. Paint roller. Paint brush. Paint brush. Tools. Tools. Level. Level. Measuring tape. Measuring tape. Extension cord. Extension cord. Flashlight. Flashlight. Or torch. Torch. Dolly. Dolly. Ladder. Ladder. Scaffolding. Scaffolding. Can I have the measuring tape? Can I have the measuring tape? Here you go. Here you go. Can I have the extension cord? Can I have the extension cord? Here you go. Here you go.